output statements in a JavaScript. Output statement in JavaScript. Sir, output statement means how to display the output in JavaScript. So let me tell you, output statement is used to display user defined messages and data. User defined messages and data. Okay. Output statement used to display user defined messages and data in a data in JavaScript. So I'm giving like this. So output statement is used to display our user defined messages, hi, bye, like that. And even it is used to display the what data in JavaScript. So we have two types of output statement in JavaScript. Mainly we are using only two ways, mainly. So first one we are using document dot, you know the difference between write and write ln. Write means no space at the end. ln means space at the end. So that is one. Second one, console.log. What we can use? Console.log. So definitely we need to see what is the difference between them. So now you can see here, I will go to this document.write.ln first. So let me say, comes to here. So I want to tell you, it is used to display the output on browser window. It is used to display the output on what? Browser window. Now, for example, you can see here, I am writing document.write.ln, and here I can say, welcome to JavaScript class. So what I have used? Document.write.ln. So whenever I use document.write.ln, the output will be appear here. Where it will appear output? Browser window. So same thing I mentioned here. It is used to display the output on browser windows. So now you can go to the next one. What here? Console.log. So what's the purpose? It is used to display the output on browser console. There here browser window, here is known as what? Browser console. Browser console means, so we can see browser console by pressing, okay, by using F12 function key. So now you can see here, what I will do, I will not take what here document.write.ln. No, remove. Instead of this, what I will write? Console.log. Your wish. So now you can see this safe. Refresh. So don't get confused. Array output not coming in browser. Array console.log will not display in browser. Where it will display? Browser console. Say browser console. Don't say console. Console means command prompt. Where it will go? Browser console. So that is the reason I will go to F12. And F12 you can see what you can see. Where it is? Console. F12 means developer option. F12 means what? Developer option. So online people and offline people, did you understand in how many ways we can display the outputs in JavaScript?
Yes, sir.
Two ways.
Yes, sir.
One is document.write.ln, one is console.log. Very good.